inside the Lamborghini factory, where supercars are built.
Look at this section here. If we optimize the carbon fiber weave,
It improves the rigidity by 20%. Look, right here on the chassis.
And this adjustment to the rear diffuser balances the stability perfectly.
The curvature of the rear diffuser is perfect, but the spoiler angle needs tweaking.
Yes, just a few millimeters higher should optimize the downforce.
Look at the stress test results here. We need to verify the torque specifications on section C.
what's the reading on the piston skirt?
22 microns. Perfect clearance.
Pressure steady during the rebound.
Readings are nominal across the board.
Make sure the ambient lighting connector is flush.
It's locked in, ready for the trim piece.
Check the voltage on auxiliary port 7. The carbon fiber integration is seamless.
Absolutely. Quality control confirms 0 defects on the interior finishes.
The diagnostic levels look good.
Confirmed. Paint thickness is uniform across all panels.